Hello sunshine, welcome to another satisfying cleaning video. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my stove top and my stove oven. It is in a really good need of cleaning, and I haven't been cleaning it since we bought the stove. It's not that old. We bought it barely last year, and it is disgusting for having a few months with us. And to clean my stove, I will be using the Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser and also a bottle of spray with water, vinegar, and dish soap. And I will also be using an SOS soft sponge and a pair of gloves. Now, there is a few tricks that I use to clean my stove, which I'll turn it on so it could start heating up, and then that way I could pour the solution of water, soap, and vinegar. And once that it's on the top and on the oven, I will start pouring all the soft cleanser so it could start like taking all the grease off. Now I'll be letting this sit for a few hours, and then to clean my oven grates, I'll be filling up my bathtub with hot water, and then I will be placing down a towel, any type of towel, and then filling the bathtub with water, and then pouring about a cup of dish soap. And usually what I use to clean those grates, I'll be using the Dawn. I feel that works a little bit better. And then I will be setting this in here for about 2 hours as well, or even overnight, depending on how dirty it is. Now my stovetop, it usually gets really dirty when I don't take the care that it needs. And to be honest, that was really dirty, and the only sponges that will work on that, in my opinion, for my stovetop will be the SOS soft sponges. And there were a few items in there that I literally had to use a butter knife. You can also use the scraper, but I didn't have no scrapers. That's why I had to use the butter knife. You just have to be gentle with it, so that way you won't be scratching your stovetop. But trust me, using the SOS soft sponges are amazing. Those work so good. I really don't know if it's the soap that has in it or even the soft cleanser that I used. I usually also use the baking soda solution. They always have good recipes on Pinterest, but I've been using this soft cleanser on my stovetop and on my oven for a few years, and it actually really works really well. And I'll be doing the same process on the inside of the oven, but with the difference that I will be spraying the solution of the water and vinegar while cleaning, and then I'll be using just a regular rag to take off all like the soap and then continue doing it. And also I'll be cleaning the sides of the stove, because trust me, sometimes I forget about the sides of the stove whenever I'm cleaning my countertops, and there's always food on the sides as well. And once I cleaned off all the soap with a rag, I'll be spraying in the Mrs. Mayer's lavender scent on the sides as well, just because it smells so good, and I feel that it leaves the sides on the stove shiny. And just cleaning it off with a blue paper towel. I'll be spraying it on the top as well, and on the knobs, and I'll be taking that off. And for the stainless, I will be using the Wayman stainless steel cleanser, and just clean it all over the stainless area, like on the top and also on the oven door and on the knobs as well.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name.
For the inside of the oven, I will be doing the same process, just spraying all over the Mrs. Mayer's lavender scent and just cleaning it off with a blue paper towel. And by this time, the oven rakes are soaked in already, and I will be also using the SOS soft sponges to clean it off. They were dirty, but because they were soaking for a few hours, it was really easy to take all the grime off from the little rakes. So it was really easy to take it off. As you guys can see in there, like, I really didn't have to sponge it that hard. It was just a little bit. And with the rough of the SOS sponge, it was easier. You can also use just a toothbrush or even a brush from like the dollar store. That works as well, but for me, the SOS, that's all I needed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cleaning motivational videos, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified whenever I upload any new videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below what do you use to clean your stove. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
And now it's time for us to escape to a world we don't know.